Hello traders, in this particular video we are diving into cyclic lines, time cycles and sine lines, which are trading view tools for predicting market trends. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to apply these tools to anticipate market movements and improve your trading decisions. Okay, now let us first of all get cyclic lines. So cyclic lines are a trading view tool that helps identify repeating price patterns over time. All right, you can see it allows the user to set two vertical lines a specified distance apart. You can see the representation here. And once the lines are set, repeating vertical lines will appear equidistant apart and will appear indefinitely into the future. What this means is that as time goes on and prices change, or even if the user just scrolls forward in time, the vertical lines will keep appearing and they will always have the same amount of space between them as the first two lines placed by the user. This can be useful for setting up custom trade sessions or intervals. It also helps to visually break up the chart in regards to time in a manner that will not necessarily be available to the user by default. Okay, so basically you are seeing that it's a repeatable price pattern, based on time, over time, right? So by marketing cycles, traders can anticipate potential highs, lows, and trend reversals. For example, now, if a certain pattern repeats every 20 days, cyclic lines help highlight the next expected occurrence. Imagine if you have noticed a particular pattern that shows up every 20 days. You can take advantage of this indicator. You highlight the first, two lines and then project it into the future, anticipating an occurrence of those patterns. You are anticipating an occurrence of those patterns in the future, right? So basically, that's what you're trying to do, anticipating an occurrence of those patterns in the future. Okay, so if I was to highlight, remember that it has to be a pattern that you have already recognized, right? So if I was to identify a repeatable pattern, and let's say it occurs every probably few hours or days or whatever, and then I just mark it out, you can see it's going to project into the future, right? So each time, let's say each time price starts getting towards the end, there is always, this is just an assumption, right? There is always a bearish move. So anytime price starts getting towards the end of the next line, I'll be expecting a bearish move. Okay, so that's how this particular indicator can come in handy. Okay, so this makes cyclic lines a valuable tool for traders looking to forecast market behavior. Now, talking about time cycles, time cycles track the interval between significant market events or price reactions. By analyzing past cycles, right? By analyzing past cycles, traders can estimate when the market might experience similar behavior in the future. So time cycles are especially useful for spotting trend reversals or continuation points When combined with support and resistance levels or other technical indicators, time cycles help refine trade timing and improve decision making. All right. So that is for time cycles. Okay. Now we talk about sine lines. We're going to be talking about sine lines right now. Okay. Now, sine lines work well in trending or ranging environment. Okay. It helps traders identify areas of overextension or potential turning points. Combining sine lines with price action improves clarity when predicting short-term trend shifts. So on TradingView, you can easily add your cyclic lines, your time cycles, and sine lines to your chart. You have to start by identifying a significant swing high or low. Then plot the cycle or sine line across the time frame. You observe how the lines interact with price action. Okay. Do price peaks align with cycle tops? Okay, these are things that you want to check out. Okay, do price peaks occur around cycle tops? Are lows occurring near predicted sine line throws? Okay, so let's use a higher time frame. So you want to check out for whether there's going to be an alignment, between highs and lows, with the throws and peaks of the sine line. All right. So by watching these interactions, you can anticipate potential trend changes more effectively. Combine these tools with other indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or support and resistance levels to increase accuracy and confidence in your trade timing. So that's your guide to cyclic lines, time cycles, and sine lines on TradingView. By using these tools, you can anticipate market trends, improve your chart analysis, and make more informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more TradingView tutorials and market trend insights. You can start using these tools today to predict trends like a pro. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.